Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. So this question belongs to GATE 1993 guys. Okay, so basically this code belongs to Ruby, I think so guys. So basically in Ruby we will be having a begin and end. So based on that I think the language is Ruby. But nowadays from 2005 or 6 only C codes will be asked guys. The syllabus has been changed. Previously they used to ask Ruby code, Prolog code. There are various codes which they used to ask. So and the main reason that I am skipping some questions are also the same. Previous year question papers have some other languages, so I am skipping them. Okay. So if possible I'll be posting those questions also when we are discussing question papers. So when I set the whole playlist of question papers, so at that time I will teach those lectures also and I'll be adding them in between them guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so anyway let us learn about this code in this lecture. Okay, yes. So where a, b are integers, so the structure is in this way guys. So we used to write int ab, right? So in Ruby they write var a comma b colon integer. So basically it is saying variables a and b are integers. So it is like something like English. Okay, so begin. So we are starting here. What we are doing is let us take an example guys. So let us take a value as a 7 and a b value is a 20. Okay, yes. So let us do whatever these steps are doing, let us do them guys. So in a, what we are storing a plus b. So what is a plus b? 7 plus 20, that becomes a 27. Okay, so what is a minus b? So now what is a minus b? That is nothing but 7. Okay, what is a equal to a minus b? So now again do a minus b. So you will be getting 20. So that you substitute here. So what exactly has happened here guys? So the initial value of a is a 7 and the initial value of a b is a 20. What exactly has been happened? The items have been exchanged, right? Yes. So now let us check the option. So exchange of a and b, absolutely I think a is the correct answer. Doubles a wrong, doubles b wrong, leaves a and b unchanged, wrong. So a will be the answer. It's a quite simple question, right? Yes, it is a simple logic. So this kind of question could be asked in your interview or in programming exams guys. So they will say that exchange two values or interchange two values without using third variable. So here did we use any third variable guys? We used only a and b and we solved it, right? Yes. So this is a programming question you can say. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.